Well, you won't believe it. It's took me a full day from 9:30 this morning, and it is now 5:50 to get that in. And I'll tell you what it is. I will never, ever, 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 ever do one again. And that means no. Anybody ask me? I'll hire a hitman and he'll fucking shoot you. Oops, swore again. Yeah. Oh, what a boy. I can't believe I've done. Look at the state of that. It's alright outside though. Oh, sorry. I cut my fingers. Oh, and guess what I've done? Can you see it? Where is it? There. You see? Broke it. Oh man, but it was on the last bit. Anyway, it's in. I can glue with that. I've got the piece knocking about somewhere. Somewhere. There. So, super glue. Say hello! She's been in bed today, it's not so good. Right, next report tomorrow. Good afternoon. Just made this. Goes all the way along. All the way to there. But I've also done it so as it pulls out. Yeah. Why I've done it like that I don't know. I can add my stash. I'm not going to fix this down. Terry's father asked if I'd sorted out any external work last night, and it got me thinking actually. Since I've finished in here, it hasn't rained. So, like I said, regarding it, I'm not going to fix it down as yet, just in case aught happens, and especially with this window, the seal. Oh, what a nightmare that were. Never, ever, 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 ever will I do one of them again. Ever. Right, yeah, so I'm just going to put some cardboard on here, and what I'm going to do today is just tie, the window. There's an aluminium rail that sits, I can't show you because it's in the house, it sits on top basically, and what happens is it sits on and then it slides or hooks onto the aluminium rail that is attached to the body, and there's a rubber that goes inside and it makes it tight. It holds it in basically. Can I get it in? No, I can't. God and Benedict's hard work. I started it yesterday afternoon at 3 o'clock, and then I packed it in because I was going to throw it, and I started again last night about 8 o'clock in the house, and by God, no, won't go in at all. So I'm going to take Chris Hart's advice and sod it. I'm going to put it in and silicon it. To hell with it. If it doesn't hold, then it doesn't hold, but it should do. I'm going to use Tiger Seal. I like that stuff, Tiger Seal. Anyway, yeah. So today, like I say, I'm going to put some cardboard around here. Then it don't get damaged. I'm going to tidy all this up. Then we can see what we're doing. I'm going to considering moving that out today. Sam's going to come in and take the water tank out and the hot water. Yeah. I'm going to try today to get these sorted out, and then tomorrow I'm going to take all that out. All the kitchen, the bathroom, everything. The insulation is definitely coming tomorrow, so I'll be able to finish this side. That's been a nightmare and all. I ordered it last week. 24-hour delivery. Been contacting him and everything on eBay. It's got to be the worst eBay seller I've ever known, to be honest. Terrible. Anyway, yeah, so that's coming tomorrow. So I should be able to finish this side. It's all ready for papering then. I've got another piece to put in there. I'll do that today. I've got a piece to put along the bottom there. I'll do that today. I'm doing a lot today, aren't I? I'm buzzing. Yeah. So, right. Bye-bye. Nothing to report. I'm in limbo, waiting for the installation. What a effing waste of time that company is. Once I do get it, if I do get it, I'm going to blast it all over YouTube. Anyway, in the meantime, I've took down the headline, and what I'm doing is I'm going to use what vel trim I've got, some of this, just to get rid of it. It's just something to do, just to push it on a bit, because it's absolutely not what I can do. Sandra's going to come in today again, move that, and then we're going to tackle this. I know I said I was going to do this, but I know I keep going on about it, which weren't so good the last 2 days. Anyway, yeah, so I took that down last night, and I've started to recover it. Yeah, I've tied it up. There. Quite simple to do. Contact adhesive on one side and then undo. This is upside down, by the way. It's that way up. Yeah, and I'll give you a report when because I've got all these to cut out. Yeah, right, in a bit. Installation came today, a week and a half late. Started putting that in now. Obviously they recommend sticking the insulation to the wall, but I'm using glue. Yeah, this spray adhesive, but it's absolutely brilliant. It's really, really good stuff. It's only a £5 tin and all. And I give it plenty of that, and I did a test like last night on a piece of board. God, and it took some getting off today. Anyway, yeah. So happy. I'm getting on with this today. Me and Sandra did the trim for in here last night. That's on hold at the moment while I get this done. Sandra came in yesterday, even though she weren't well. Took out the water tank. Yeah, anyway. Once I've done this, should have this done this morning. I will then do that. I'm going to take those electrics out, and then Sandra can crack on with taking boards out. Well, I put my rubber in and then try and fix this window. Oh my god. In an hour. All done. Well, saying all done. Insulation in. Looking good. My other boards have arrived, but I forgot to put these in, didn't I? Yesterday. So I had to do them today. Managed to get this in. Oh, I'll tell you what I did, and all contact adhesive on each side of insulation, so that ain't going nowhere. We'll have to take it out. Yeah, the corner pieces I made. These, thought they'd have done for them all. No chance. These are way too big. Way too big. So I'm going to have to make some more, all in tiny. So, yeah. Right, I've decided I'm going to keep that. I'm still going to put the batteries here though. I don't think there's a charger in here, unless it's part of the Zig. I don't know. It does say caravan battery and car battery. That's about it. So if I need one, I'm going to put it there. I don't know whether to buy a 220 amp hour or two 110s. I'm just thinking it saves going in parallel. Anyway, yeah, regarding this, I'm just going to use it for storage, you know, like wet stuff. Electric hookup lead, plus the electric hookups in there. So yeah, it's looking okay. I'm happy. It's only 12 o'clock. So while this is setting all these, I'm going to do a bit to cab again. Thank you for listening.